If the pain doesn't come back, what will I write about? Will the poems have tendon and teeth? I didn't get right the sonnet of all its colors. I did not find the exact dagger of phrase about the long loss of my life. Hope is all I do and am. I don't think I'm poet enough to make you taste this mango or see that sutured sunset unless from a hospital bed. I was good for carving. There will be kisses, music, street names. Loved ones will go where the gone do. What if I don't want to write it, can't write about these things? What if I would rather feel than create feeling? What then? Go ahead.